beautiful rising. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Depending on when you're seeing this, you know, a wonderful month. Want to make a video before I went and picked up my oldest. And I remember I made a video a couple weeks ago talking about my youngest and having to get a lock on the fridge, right? Now it's not just the youngest, and I knew it, but had some ice creams in there that I shouldn't have had, and I bought like the value pack, so it was like 12 in there. Like, I'm thinking I'm gonna have a couple little ice creams in there, sit down and relax. I go clean out the fridge and the freezer, and all my ice cream's gone. And I know I only ate 2 of them. So I'm like, where all my ice creams go? So, this is one of those lessons where it's like, let's work on not being frustrated and beat them to the punch. Especially when you notice it, just try not to get angry about it and just kind of just maneuver around them. You know what I mean? Figure out the best solution to solve the problem and kill it. So then when you do get to that point where it's like, okay, I left it unlocked, and I know I did, and that was just to see what you was gonna do. You know what I mean? It's easier to catch these little things in lies. But yeah, that was my parenting moment. That was my parenting moment with my oldest. And that's what I'm saying. I could have been more angry about it, but it's happened before, and I'm just now doing something about it. And that's why I say you kind of gotta, address it as it happens, fix the situation, and then move on from there. And if they still show signs, that's when, the more disciplinary actions can start being introduced. On a lighter note, apparently Serafina can sing. The teacher told me in class they were doing sing-alongs and singing songs, and she be sounding good, be hitting all the notes and stuff. So apparently my baby got a little bit of range. I guess that 14 years of choir and 3 generations came in handy. Maybe 4 generations. I gotta call Grandpa too. I don't know if Grandma did anything musically inclined. Okay, my baby ashy. I don't know if you see that. Look at the ashiness. Look at this ashiness. And I'm walking in to pick my baby up. Soon as I walk into the gate, here she is doing a flip. She's doing a flip on the swing. It was an accident. She's swinging and rocking and do a whole backflip on the swing. It happened so fast, I think she landed on her feet because there wasn't no crying going on. Baby out here is doing flips on the swing. I mean, your mama said you should have. I don't know what you are, though. Daredevil to the max. But yeah, how was school today?
Easter bunnies.
You made Easter bunnies?
Yep.
I think I brought them. I think I got them.
Dad.
What's up, babe?
Do you see my Easter bunny?
You want to see your Easter bunny?
Yes. You can see my Easter bunny.
Okay, I think I put it up there. Underneath.
I did and I did a big Easter bunny.
You did, oh, in that one. Okay. Nice. What color did you draw it on? What color did you draw it?
I draw that bunny pink.
Oh, you drew what color?
I draw bunny pink.
Nice.
So you
It's
can
beautiful.
finish this when you get home.
Now what?
The park or
The beach.
the beach. Yeah.
Beach.
Chicken or pizza?
Pizza.
Ice cream or cookies?
Ice cream.
Running or jumping?
Boom.
Blue or purple?
Papa.
Blueberries or strawberries? Oh, what about strawberries or bananas? Which ones? You gotta pick one. Strawberries or bananas? Bananas?
Yes.
Okay.
That's
Okay.
why I have peanut butter
When you get home, you want a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yes.
Okay.
Strawberry milk or almond milk?
Strawberry milk.
Basketball or soccer?
Basketball.
Bicycle, a bike or a scooter?
Scooter.
A scooter?
Yes.
Say it again.
Scooter.
Scooter.
Yes. Scooter.